A story of a plastic bag and a tape. Earlier the other day we got an order for a desk and a chair for children. So here we are packing everything to make sure that everything is going to be delivered safe and sound. So here's my Sunny is like moving around here. So yeah. And here we go, we wrap all the items like this. So, and here I am tucking in everything here. We're wrapping everything here. Sunny is having his night snack. Here we're talking, having fun. And hubby is putting all these plastic straps. So here we go, both are ready. Once boxes are ready, we are going to wrap them like this. Here we go, using the tape. Anyone finds tap sound like relaxing? Or is it only me? Anyways, we have these special papers to tape onto the boxes. And this is the second box ready to be wrapped around. Oops, I got it. Almost dropped the box again. The print is special paper tapping onto the box, and we're all set. We're off to take them to the car. Opening the trunk and setting the boxes, and kisses time. And as always, we made it. And oh, I forgot to put this bag with my scissors and plastic wrap. Our items are ready to be delivered tomorrow morning.